Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Samsung Galaxy A20e. So, first, disable the Bluetooth and enable it once again. Then click the gear next to your connected device and click Unpair. And pair again. Wait for it to pair, OK. Deny Bluetooth tethering. If it's still not working for you, then just try to restart phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.